Welcome, my name is David Conover. As you'll learn, graphic design is one of the many subsets of a much larger discipline where the communication of intent and purpose is the guiding principle of all design.
The elements and principles of design are the building blocks, the foundation on which we build our visual communications.
Too often we learn too little too late about a profession that is rich in history.
This career, design has changed dramatically. What hasn't changed are those basic skills of how to think, how to approach typography, color, balance, composition. Those things never change.
The exciting part about being involved in design is that every project is a little bit different, and you continue to grow and learn from every client, from every opportunity that comes your way.
In information design, we bring the principles of design and integrate them with larger elements and components. We consider the why. What are we being asked to communicate? To whom? Who is our audience? What is the outcome we're looking for? How soon do we want to see that outcome? What is the media we're going to use? Is it print, digital, broadcast, or a combination of all of these?
These designers developed the program and curriculum and have catered it to speak to industry demands and trends. It is a comprehensive program with a strong emphasis on portfolio and professional development, aimed towards opening up your skill set to a world of career opportunities in design.
It's really exciting, and it opens the opportunities for a young designer to go in any direction they choose. They have the skill set to think creatively and problem solve, no matter what problem is set before them.
So we're going to help you create a competitive portfolio that positions you in the marketplace with experts helping you to craft that portfolio. And we're also going to work with you on professional practices. We feel that it's really important that not only do you complete the coursework and produce the projects, but that you also know what to do with those when you're done. In the end, you'll end with a way of promoting yourself that enables you to go out and get the kind of job that you're looking for.
Whether you work on print design, digital, broadcast, environments, these elements and principles are foundational for all of your work and for any good communication design.
I kid around with my friends saying that I'm going to work to color today. It really is a joyful career choice, and that's why I've chosen to be a designer.
So that's just a brief overview of the UCSD Extension Specialized Certificate in Communication Design. UCSD Extension looks forward to assisting you in your journey to becoming a great communication designer.